Hi guys, I've got a very quick video here. I'm going to show you the correct procedure for ordering spare parts for Vestel TVs. Now we look at this TV, it's a Bosch model DLED 32165HD. Now what a lot of people don't realise is this exactly the same model number of TV can be fitted with a different screen, it can be fitted with a different main board, different power supply, even the same screen with different LED strips in. So the correct procedure for ordering spare parts is if we take a look down here, you'll notice this number at the bottom, 100-84823. That there is the correct number for ordering spare parts, and if you use that number there when my finger's pointing, that will guarantee that when your parts come for the TV from Vestel, you've got the exact ones to fix your TV by using this number. So just take a look at that. I'll just stop the camera and then we'll move over to computer and I'll show you how many different sets of boards and screen variations there are for this exact model, and then you'll see why it's most important to use this number at the bottom when ordering spare parts. Right guys, so here we go. I've got the camera set up in front of the computer. I've typed the model number in, DLED 32165HD, and if you look down here, that tells me that there's 10 different variations of that model. Now if you look over here, they're fitted with different screens, one's even fitted with a different main board. There's so many different variations. So if you remember, the important number on the back of the TV was 100-84823. So what you do is look down here and we look for that number 100-848. Let's just go down a bit. There we go, 100-84823. So clicking on that now will bring up the exact set of spare parts. Also you need that number when you're ordering software, because that software is specific to only this model, and when you order the schematic diagram you also need to quote that number, because there's 10 different schematic diagrams for every version of this TV. So that is the one I want. Right, so here we go. I've clicked on that number 100-84823, and here now is all the spare parts only for that particular variation. And you'll see that's why it's so important to use that number to get the correct spare parts for that TV, because there's 10 different variations, 10 different schematics. It can be fitted with 10 different screens, 10 different main boards. That is the important number you need to guarantee that when you place an order you get exactly the part for your TV. Okay guys, thanks for watching. And subscribe for more videos. And in my case, the backlights are out, so I've just got to scroll through about 200 pages now, because all the spare parts for the telly are listed, to find the correct backlight. Okay guys, thanks for watching, see you again.